Enter volume-limiting headphones, the unsung heroes of the audio world, designed to provide a harmonious blend of captivating sound and responsible listening. Volume-limiting headphones such as the Puro BT2200 Plus are ingenious creations aimed to protect children's precious eardrums from the perils of excessive volume, allowing kids to indulge in the magic of audio without compromising our long-term auditory health. In this review, we will explore the various features and specifications that make the Puro BT2200 Plus an excellent choice for parents who prioritize their child's safety. The Puro BT2200 Plus volume limiting feature is set to 85 decibels for both Bluetooth audio listening and wired auxiliary audio listening. The Puro BT2200 Plus headset has a total of 3 listening modes: wired, Bluetooth and daisy chain, which lets someone else, e.g. sibling, connect to the main headset via USB-C connectivity. The main headset can be connected to an audio source via Bluetooth or 3.5mm wired connection. Battery life is 18 hours at 100% volume with 15 minutes fast charge support. The wired connection is passive, meaning you can listen to audio via cable even if the battery is empty. Passive isolation is decent on these headphones, blocking a lot of ambient noise for a fully immersive experience. The Puro BT2200 Plus headband frame is plastic, while the ear cups and inner headband have an aluminium construction with interchangeable PU leather earpads, giving the option to switch between on-ear and over-ear configurations. Switching between is super easy. Simply twist one direction to unlock and twist back the opposite direction to lock the earpad in place. The headband is padded all around on top and bottom with PU leather and can be adjusted to suit different size heads. The BT2200 Plus headband inner band mechanism is silent, non-clicky, with a secure friction actuation to keep the headband adjusted at the desired height. The ear cups do not fold and cannot be tilted up and down, but can be rotated flat. There are buttons, made of chrome plastic, on board for controlling volume and calls, answer, end. The Puro BT2200 Plus weighs 115 grams without earpads. The on-ear pads weigh 21 grams, while the larger over-ear pads weigh 50 grams. Hence, if you're using the Puro BT2200 Plus headset with on-ear pads, the total weight is 136 grams, while the on-ear pads brings the total weight to 165 grams. The volume limiting function can be bypassed by using a normal 3.5mm audio cable. Next up, it's the testing. Enjoy!